In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download offline maps on Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to download offline maps on Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get straight into it. Open Google Maps on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right. Select Offline Maps from the options available. Next, tap on Select Your Own Maps. Choose the area you want to download by selecting it on the map. Keep in mind that the more extensive the area you select, the more storage space it will occupy on your device. Larger areas can take up more space, while smaller ones take up less. After choosing your desired area, tap on Download at the bottom right. Once downloaded, you can give your map a name by tapping the pencil icon. Once the download is complete, you'll see a message indicating Download is complete at the bottom. After downloading, you can manage your offline maps by tapping the three dots next to the map. You'll have options to update, rename, or delete the downloaded map. When offline, you can access and use the downloaded map without an internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. For additional tutorials and insightful information, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.